Hey guys, so I am not gardening. It was too hot to do it when I got home. So I took the zinnias out of this GreenStalk and I'm gonna put one in the GreenStalk, maybe two, I'm not sure. Yeah, I decided to go ahead and retire the GreenStalk. And look at the boards. The sun scorched the board. Some of them are still trying to stand. I'll probably take some out of here and put some in the GreenStalk as well. So yeah, I got it down in there. I know it needs some more soil and it look a little thin, but I will top it off with some more soil. Gotta get some this weekend, but I just wanted to move it so I have a chance to get acquainted with the soil. This is the Kellogg soil, raised bed soil. So I'm gonna top it off with some more soil. Here's the second one. It's down in there. Like again, I'm gonna top it off with soil. Hopefully they'll be fine. Hopefully the transplant don't mess them up. But yes, we're gonna top the soil off again. But just wanted to get them in the soil so they can get acquainted with it. That's the other one. I'm gonna still water them in. We got the third one in the pot, the kiwi. So I haven't named it yet. We're gonna name them, but this is the third one. I have one more. She's in her own pot. This is the only one that got put in their own pot. According to research, they get pretty big and tall. So hopefully it takes to the soil. Now this soil is a Stay Green, the one in the blue bag. The Stay Green. I think it's raised bed soil in containers. But yep, better look. I am going to top it off, like I said, for the other ones, but just want to make sure I get acquainted before I put too many, and then let it grow. See if it grows a little taller. Yep. All right. I put the boards here to get out. Hopefully they get acquainted with the soil. Hopefully I didn't prematurely take it out too early. But we got the boards here. Probably shouldn't be putting 4 in here, but it's a 10-inch pot. And I just put them in there. Hopefully they get acquainted with the soil. And we'll see what happens. Time to go in. Good night.